Good morning, students. Last class we saw business risk. Okay, under business risk, we saw meaning of business risk, then type of business risk, then we saw nature of business risk. Under nature, we taught types of nature risk. Okay, today's class we will be seeing causes for business risk. Causes means reason why the business is going under loss, okay, or why the business is at risk. Reason, finding out the reason, okay. So every businessman need to analyze his business, whether is growing his business, okay, whether he is making profit or whether it is going in the loss. If it is going in the losses, causes and what the changes he need to do, so that one every businessman have to follow it. So under causes we have four types, okay. First one is natural causes, second one is human causes, third one is economic causes, your fourth one is other causes. So business risk can be classified into four: natural, human, economic, other. So first going for your natural causes. So natural, the word tells you where the causes or certainty, okay, which are uncontrollable by human being and unavoidable by human being. When naturally getting disaster, okay, your natural disasters, I cannot estimate whether this may happen to the environment. Anything may happen to environment in certainty, like heavy rain, okay. Last year December month and all, we had heavy rain in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, where after 18 years your Kerala dam, okay, that is biggest dam in Kerala, Kabni dam was opened, okay. For after 18 years the dam was opened due to heavy rainfall and flood. And Tamil Nadu near the river side, okay, they were on flood danger. Simultaneously in Tamil Nadu we had cyclone, where it has been vanished all the crops. That is the natural disasters. In Gujarat, during 2000, in Gujarat we had a big earthquake where whole Gujarat was collapsed. Natural disaster. 2004, your biggest tsunami has been taken place throughout the world. Natural disaster. Can we estimate whether this may happen? No, it is naturally getting disaster. Yeah, often volcanoes getting explode. And this year, okay, beginning of this year, Australia forest was in the fire. Okay, 2021, Australia was in the fire. That is natural disaster where we cannot avoid or control due to natural calamities. So all this natural, okay, which has been affecting your environment, earth, okay, that causes the business risk. How this is related to business? You may have one question, okay. Earthquake or tsunami or flood, okay, or fire in the forest, how this one may cause your business risk. See here, if a city is in flood, okay, yeah, this year, okay, last 2 months before also, so 1 month before also we had a cyclone where your Mumbai, okay, northern side Mumbai and West Bengal was fully vanished. Fully vanished. That time people will not step out of your house, okay, or from the safety place. When people are not stepping out, how your business will run, how we will earn money? There is a question mark like that. When tsunami came, whole cities, buildings, okay, everything were washed away. When everything is washed away, how we can do business? Question mark. Who will purchase my product? Question mark. How I can do my sales? Question mark. So every natural disasters, okay, natural causes will affect your business. If people believe or not, to overcome from tsunami recovery, your coastal places have taken nearly 3 years. 3 years it has been taken to overcome the losses. Your building has been vanished. Your vehicles have been vanished. Your clothes have been vanished. So all the coastal people were staying in government quarters, okay, where they were government was taking care of them. Now, if I am running a business, I have been had office in Chennai, okay. Due to heavy rain, people will not turn up for office for 1 week. So 1 week when people are not coming for work, how my business will run? It will be under loss. So natural causes also get linked with my business risk. Next is your human risk. Business may also suffer due to man made causes such as theft, so due to your theft may be like robbing money from the office, okay, employment, or even here your first image very carefully, taking out the information of your company, that is also a type of theft. Okay, someone is leaking your information, your business information for your competitor, that is also a theft. Then forgive is where people go for your strike, volunteer strike. The employees when they are not satisfied with the management, okay, if they demand for something and we are not giving that one, people will go for your strike. That is also one type of human causes where this is done by human being. Then values expenditure of top management, where top management doesn't know how to utilize your fund, okay, where to utilize your fund. So that is also a cause of human activity. See here this image where human causes example are again employee theft, robbery, computer crime. Computer crime is where the people are taking without your knowledge the information of your company without your knowledge. Then strike, obviously human being makes strike. Then accident and injuries, okay, where if a person is not wearing his safety measures properly and doing the work, accident may occur. So that injury also will cause human causes, okay, risk, where that employee may lose his life or we may lose the work, okay. So all this put together, whatever human activity related to the business is called a human cause. Next is your economic causes. This includes uncertainty relating to demand for goods, competition, price, change of technology or method of production, etc. So economic causes where change in price, okay, one price, product price, the change that also will affect the economic causes. Then development in technology, Then changes in your demand of goods. So when people taste and preferences changes, your demand for goods also will change. That also will cause your economy. So here I have given you the example two images where change in fashion is it. So olden days what was the dress, how they have been using, okay, and today the dress what they using. So changes in fashion, that also lead your economic causes. Then changes in technology, your first image where the initial telephone is there and what we are using now, Android telephone is phone is it. So change in your technology also may cause your economic. Then government regulation, so all the policies which have been changed by government that affect your economy. Economy is capital formation in your country. And next one is your other causes. These are unforeseen events like political disturbances, inflections, exchange rate, etc. See here, political disturbances where one government tells one and the opposite governments tell one. The ruling party will change the policies, political policies now and then. Okay. Now, as Modi government has come, we had first VAT, say value added tax and sales tax. He changed to one tax, that is GST. Changes in political disturbance, tax have been revised, so we have changed to GST. Apart from that, he has been added Swachh Bharat tax, where the businessman have to give 1 rupee for 1 rupee for one sales. Then we have education tax. All this policy changes, okay, tax changes, the rules and regulation changes will affect your business. Then inflation changes in your rate. So changes in your dollars. Okay, any dollars or in, okay, other country money value which have been changing. So if you see your Sensex, just observe your Sensex for 1 week. What is your currency to your dollar? So initially it was 61 rupees. Now it has been reached to somewhere 72, 75. Okay, it has been reached like that. So fluctuation in your exchange of currency. So currency rate will be fluctuating every day as your gold rate. Best example is your gold rate, where you see every day fluctuating. Exchange rate, that is called your exchange rate. Your petroleum, other example, where every day it will fluctuate, increase, decrease, increase, decrease. That is the exchange rate what we have. So today's class I'll stop till here. Tomorrow's class I will starting a business basic fact. So today we have seen causes for your business risk. Thank you, student.